Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about print type ID functions. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing all the Python videos in English and Telugu, both languages. And in Python, in the fundamentals part, we will be having three important functions. One is the print function, one is the type function, one is the ID function. So what about the print function? What about the type function? And what about the ID function? So let me explain you one by one. So the one print function is going to be using for print function. Okay. This is Python predefined function. This is Python predefined function. Python predefined function used for printing outputs. Used for printing outputs. Printing outputs. That's all. So the outputs can be prints with a print function. And how to write the print function? There are multiple ways. So you can write the print function with the single quotes. So you can write the print function with the text in the single quotes, or you can write the print function text with double quotes, or you can write a print function using with triple single quotes, triple single quote open, triple single quote close. And again, you can write the print function using with the triple double quote open and triple double quote close. So inside the single quotes, suppose I want to uh, say some hi message. Inside the print function, I want to say some hi. Yeah, you can keep the hi in the print function. Okay. So whatever you want, you can write inside this single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So content will be inside. Content will be inside here. That is what actually print function is. Next, type function. What is the use of the type function? I will tell you. So again, type is a Python predefined function used for getting the data type of the variable. This function, Python predefined, Python predefined function getting type of the data, getting type of the data, getting type of the data. So very simple, straightforward, getting type of the data. So you can keep the variable name inside the type function. So inside the type function, you can give the variable name, variable name. So whenever you provide the variable name inside the type function, automatically output will be, so output will be something like it may integer, it may boolean, it may integer, it may string, it may tuple, it may list, whatever it may be. Okay. Coming to the ID function. So what is the use of ID function? When you use ID predefined function, this is also Python predefined function used for getting the location of the variable, memory location, whatever it may be. So Python predefined function, ID is Python predefined function used for getting location of the data, location of the variable, right? So programmatically how this print type ID will work, we will see now with collaboratory. Let me go to the collaboratory. So I already have a previous collaboratory. So here the first function, print function, I'm exploring the print function. So take the caps lock of print. Okay, write down. So inside the print, I want to keep the message. Okay, I want to keep the message in the single quote. Okay, Mohansh. Okay, again I want to write down the print function with double quotes. This time I'm taking the double quotes. Previously I'm using the single quotes. This time I'm using double quotes. And again I'm writing the print function. Here I'm giving the single quotes open. And again I'm writing Mohansh. Triple single quote open, triple single quote close. And again I am writing the print function, and here triple double quote open, and again I am writing Mohansh. Okay, don't keep space here. Triple double quotes. See guys, whenever I am writing print function, you can use single quotes and double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. But whatever the codes you are starting with, whatever the code your entry point is, the same code should be the exit point. The same code should be the exit point. Now execute it. If you execute the program, I will be having four Mohansh values. Mohansh, 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 Mohansh. Four times the value should be print. Yes. So fine. I got to understand. So print is working properly with all the different codes. Next, let me go with the type function. Let me go with the type function. How the type function will be work out. Okay. So let me take the variable. Suppose name is equal to, I'm saying again Mohansh. Now I need to get the type function. I'm using the type function, type name, type name. So what is the type of the name? Okay. Mohan's type is basically string. So variable is name, but it's a type is string. Let me work out with the ID function. Let me work out with the ID function. Yeah, ID function. So how this ID function will work? Okay. So yeah, let me take the name, ID of name, ID of name, ID of name. When I say ID of name, automatically, what is the location of the name? It can able to giving to you. So this location is this. This location is this. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? This is the memory location of the identification of the name. So in this way, you can able to work with the print function. Sorry, this one. In this way, you can work with the print function, type function, and ID function. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and comments are needful. And we are going to be providing all the technologies free. Free videos I am uploading every day. So you can watch all the videos step by step, one by one. Keep doing practicing for the quantum computing. So later on, we are starting the quantum computing batch for this. And one more thing, blockchain batch also. For the blockchain and quantum computing, Python is fundamental programming. So I am keeping all the Python videos free of cost in the YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Comments are needful. Thank you guys. We'll see in the next video. We'll meet in the next video. See you signing off.